We can only help but wonder, how does Tiger Woods feel about this picture? The golfer's ex-girlfriend Lindsey Vonn posted a snap on Twitter of her hanging out with none other than Tiger's ex-wife, Elin Nordegren. Both women were at the Kentucky Derby. Originally, the tabloid said the two were feuding with each other and refused to sit near one another. However, in what may be an attempt to shut the rumors down, Vonn wrote, "Great to see Elin and friends at the Kentucky Derby last weekend. She was stunning as always."